welcome to our channel. I'm Vritti and today we would be doing some craft. And these are what we are making. Emoji Bobble Head Dolls. You can get this from street, but making this is much cheaper than that you get it from the street. And these are cute too, right? You can play with it, decorate it on your study table, and even put it in your car. So, do you want to know how to make these? They are a fun toy to play with. So, let's make it. Go crazy. First, we will need a cardboard, a small cardboard, and now we will cut into a circle shape. So, this is it. Let's cut it. After you have cut, we will paint it yellow. And don't use water. I'm using acrylic paints. You can use any type of paints, but I prefer to use poster or acrylic. This is it. Let me keep it to dry. And please don't forget to dip the brush into water. So, yes. Now we will be using orange paper to make a spring, and you can even take yellow paper. Let's make the strips. We will be making 2 strips, and the strips has to be 2 centimeters in width. And the length should be of A4 size sheet. You can do like this. You have 2 sheets. Yes. Now cut this. Now to make this strip and the spring, you will do something like this, and now like this. We will cut the extra part. This is it. This spring would be stuck here. This circle is actually a stand for the doll. Now it's time to make the emoji, the head, the sheet, and the bottle cap. There's it. We will color it yellow. And can you see this doll? We will make something like this. Let's scribble. This is it. Now we will be making the face of the emoji. So I will be making the sunglasses one. You can make something better than me. The sketch pen. Now let's cut it. After you have cut the emoji, we will be using orange paper so that we can stick this emoji like this. Not like this, like this. The three elements are here. You can cut a rectangle. No measurement is needed in this. That's it. We will stick it here. So it will be something like this. Now the emoji would be here. We will cut the extra part. That's it. Now we will cut the extra part. And now let's take it. Let's stick it here. Just like this. Isn't it cool? Now we will stick it here. So we have 2 bobbleheads. Like this. And let it dry. Yes. So I'm loving this. Are you? Please try this at home. It's really fun and you don't have to buy anything for this. It's just paper that everyone have it at home. And you can stick this in your car and decorate it on your study table. It's just so fun. Even you can use even as a toy. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell on the side. Meet you in our next video. Until then, bye.